Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm going to make an avocado dip. I've started by cutting up the avocados, putting them in a bowl, and then I put some lemon juice in them right away to keep them from turning brown. The next thing you want to do is to put in some garlic powder. There's a palm of garlic powder. Then you want to put in a salt of some sort. I'm using a garlic and pepper salt. Any kind of salt will do. This just happens to be out of the gourmet line. And use a little bit. You can always put more in later. That would be my best recommendation. Okay. Then you want to put in some yogurt. I use a Greek yogurt. Always have to stir it up when you bring it out of the refrigerator. The exact amounts and proportions on all of this is going to be on my website, which is at jamestdds.blogspot.com. While I'm thinking of it, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell so when I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So now I have that all set, and I need to stir this. Stir it, taste it, and if you need more salt, you can put in more salt. If you need more lemon, you can put in more lemon. You can use fresh squeezed lemon or limes. I buy these little limes that I use. I also buy the big bottle of lemon concentrate. That seems to work well. Then you need your chips. Big bag of chips. Take your chips, arrange them around. Just like this. All that's left to do is give it to the girlfriend. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.